Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer files using DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to move or back up your media files efficiently without leaving the application. Let's dive right in and get those files transferred. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it's fully loaded, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several tabs there, and you need to make sure you're on the Media tab. This is where all your media management happens, so clicking on Media will set you up perfectly for the transfer process. Now that you're in the Media section, direct your attention to the top left of the screen. Here you'll find an option called Media Storage. Go ahead and click on it to open this panel. Media Storage is essentially your file browser within DaVinci Resolve, showing you all the connected drives and folders where your media lives. This panel is crucial because it allows you to see and access all your available storage locations in one place. Right beside Media Storage, you'll notice another option called Clone Tool. Click on this to open it up. The clone tool is what makes this entire transfer process possible, as it's specifically designed to copy or move files from one location to another while maintaining file integrity. It's a powerful feature that many editors rely on for their workflow. Once the clone tool is open, look for a button that says Add Job and click on it. This creates a new transfer task that you're about to configure. Think of each job as a separate transfer operation, which means you can queue up multiple transfers if needed. Now comes the part where you specify what you want to transfer. You'll see a field labeled Source. This is where you tell DaVinci Resolve which files or folders you want to copy. Simply drag the folder or files you want to transfer from the Media Storage panel directly into the Source field. This drag and drop method makes the process intuitive and visual. Next, you need to tell the clone tool where you want those files to go. You'll see another field labeled Destination. Just like before, drag the folder where you want your files to end up from the Media Storage panel into this destination field. Make sure you've selected the correct destination folder, as this is where all your files will be copied to. With both your source and destination set up, you're ready to start the transfer. Simply click the Clone button to begin the process. DaVinci Resolve will now start copying your files from the source location to the destination folder. Now you'll need to wait until the process is done. Depending on the size of your files and the speed of your drives, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. You'll be able to see the progress in the Clone tool window, so just let it run until it's completely finished. Don't close the application or interrupt the process while it's working. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your files using DaVinci Resolve's built-in Clone tool. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.